We are the largest custom die forging in Canada. My name is Harry Singh and I'm a CNC machinist at Patriot Brantford. Here we make finished products. We make for aerospace, defense, nuclear, and the good thing about it is we get to know what's actually going around the world and how the technology is progressing. Machinists do a variety of jobs. We make steels and aluminum and we mill them according to the drawing and specifications provided by the customer. I had a very great experience since the time I joined in. After 6 months, I was given an opportunity to actually program my own stuff, and it was really fun because every day I'm learning something new and challenges that makes me keep on my toes and really exciting.
We make a wide range of pharmaceuticals here, mainly active ingredients, to treat different kind of illness. My name is Patriot. I work in Brantford in the Apotex Pharmachem, and I am one of the production lead hand. 1 of 5 prescription filled in Canada is filled with Apotex products. If you have mechanical aptitude, will be very good, or just chemical background. You can apply different kind of jobs here, as a maintenance technician, or as an electrician, millwright. I really enjoy my job. We do something different every day. You can see different activities, different processes, different chemistry every day here.
We make straws. We make compostable, biodegradable, and polypropylene straws. My name is Abe. I am the Regional Operations Manager for Stone Straw and Amhill of North America. The main thing in manufacturing is the correct attitude. Aptitude can be learned with the right attitude. At Stone Straw, there's multiple opportunities to move up, anywhere from manufacturing to maintenance to quality. You can move up. There's lead hands, there's operators, there's supervisors, there's production managers. And we have multiple people, very, very good examples that have gone up through the ranks. I would say to a young person, if you do not know what to do, get into an apprenticeship program that will show you what you might like, what you might not like. Most of the time, the companies that do offer those, they have jobs already there waiting for you. So it's a matter of you just trying to grab it.
For young people to work in manufacturing, it's a wide range of skills and trainings to work not only here, but they can work other places.
Really fun thing about manufacturing is that you get opportunities to move on and you are not stuck in a single place.
You have the right attitude, you can go anywhere.